Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are doing another hair tutorial. We're actually going to be starting off with freshly washed, conditioned, deep conditioned hair. And right now I am sectioning the hair in the direction that I want the style to go. So I am parting from ear to ear. I have it split down the middle because I always have it split down the middle, but we're not going to have a middle part for this hairstyle. I'm going to start off with our Cream of Nature Spray Leave-In, as well as my go-to product right now. Hey y'all, this product right here is amazing. I'm going to do a video, an upcoming video about this product, but you all, this product right here is to die for. No jokes. I'm not going to go into much detail about this product because I'm going to save that for a separate video. But I am going to be applying this on every section of the hair. And I'm going to be working it into all of my strands. Yes, I want to make sure my strands are coated with this product completely because it's the only product that I'm going to be using besides the leave-in. And I'm going to go directly in with my Wetline Extreme Gel. Y'all know this gel is super bomb. I have a video using this gel and doing a wash and coat already on my channel. I'll leave a link or a card up top so that you guys can check that video out. You all are familiar on how I do my wash and goes, but this gel right here will give you the best definition ever. But now I'm gonna go in with this blue color that I picked up from my local beauty supply store. I decided to try this. I was feeling like I wanted that little color in my hair. So not only am I applying this blue color, I am actually shingling the hair. I don't really need to shingle with this product or with this gel, but I decided to do so anyway, only because I wanted to make sure that the back was coated really well with the gel and with that blue color, because I did not know how this product was going to turn out once it dried. As of right now, this blue color is looking pretty vibrant. But like I said, I shingled it because I didn't know how this blue color was going to turn out. I didn't know if it was going to stay bright or if it's going to dull down once it dried. So that was one of the reasons why I shingled. If you all are not for sure or familiar with what shingling is, I don't have a video on my channel that kind of goes into depth of what it is or how to do it. If you all are interested in me doing a video about that, hit the like button and leave me a comment in the comment section down below. But as you all can tell, I'm applying these same two products, the Cream of Nature Spray Leave-In and my go-to product right now. If you all don't know, this product is by Luster's Pink. It is from, I think they like Jerry Curl line. But like I said, I'll go into another video with more details about this product. But as you all can tell, I am not applying the blue color throughout the entire head. I really wanted to just be in the under portion of the hair, so that's where I applied it. But as you watch the video further, I am going to apply more of the blue color. But for work, we're not really allowed to have this type of color in our hair, so I figured if I put it underneath, you really can't tell. But y'all gonna see what the finished results are if you continue to watch the video. But I'm going to continue to add these products throughout the hair. I'm going to continue to shingle, and let's just see what results we're going to get. So you guys stay tuned. I'm going to let the music play and just watch throughout the video. Do not skip ahead. Every part is important, and please, you all wait to the end. Wait till the end to see the end results on this style. I think it came out really, really, really cute. So yeah, let's just get further into the video. All right, one side down and one side to go. All right, y'all, so I am done with the back. My neck is so freaking sticky. I'm done with the back. I'll show y'all, give y'all a 360. Gonna clip this back out of the way so that I can get started on the top. I am going to be doing putting this up the top, and I'm actually going to be using, I'm talking with the hair all in my face, I'm actually going to be using a new product, a new gel that I recently picked up. And the secret gel that I'm going to be using for this top portion is the Wetline Extreme Gel for Men. It says Spike 10 Plus Black Ultimate Hold. Okay, y'all? It says for extreme hairstyles only, alcohol-free, long-lasting control. I don't know. It says extremely good gel. Gain control of your hairstyle with extreme hold all day, every day, without residues, with aloe vera and UV filter. So it's so cute how it has those little spikes at the top. It's actually a gel for men, and just take that off. This is the color. It's black. It's black. It's black. It's black. This is how it's looking. Anyway, so we're gonna apply a generous amount around the edges. I did not get my oil today and put it around my hairline. I hope I don't regret this, which I probably will. And I'm being lazy and I'm rushing all at the same time. So forgive me. But I normally do put castor oil along the edges before I apply any harsh gels. And I'm slacking and I'm being extremely lazy because I gotta get up anyway because I don't even have a hair tie, y'all. Some hair ties. Take my semi-hard bristle brush and start smoothing this ponytail in the way that I want it to go. hair. I tried to do my baby hairs, they're just so stubborn. That's why I don't do them. Anyway, we are going to let this dry. I might let it air dry for about an hour and then diffuse it. Other than that, we'll be back tomorrow. So give y'all a 360 too, so y'all can see the back, okay? Alright y'all, so this is how the hair turned out. As you all can tell, the blue disappeared quite a bit. In the sunlight you can see the blue, but as of right now I feel like it's gone. So what I'm going to do is tomorrow when I wake up, I'm gonna apply it to the hair while it's completely dry and see if you can see the color. But if you look at the back here, it's basically just sitting on top of the hair. I guess because my hair is so black you can't really tell. This is my first time using that brand of a hair color butter, and to be very, very, very honest, I like the other brand better. If you all checked out my my purple wax hair color video, I'll leave a link for it somewhere up top. I mean, I'll leave a card for it up top. But if you checked out that video, I like that brand better. I feel like that brand coats the hair better. I feel like that brand is actually softer on the hair. It smells better, it feels better, and it looks better. So I actually like that brand better. Only reason why I picked up this one because the beauty supply store that I went to did not have that brand, and I just chose something because I wanted blue. But anyway, this is how the hair turned out. As you can tell, I must have didn't rub that one in too well, but I'm assuming if I apply it to dry hair, this is how it's pretty much probably gonna look. But anyway, excuse the greasy face. I've had a long day at work, and I felt like I need to come in, do this intro, do this review, so I can go ahead and close out the video. But this is how the curls is looking. I did not stretch the hair at all. There is a lot of shrinkage going on. As you can tell, look at this curl. Like, I'm not understanding why I have hella shrinkage. So, I mean, this curl looks like this little, and look how long it goes to. Hopefully I'm in frame where you guys can see that. But anyway, that's that. I'm feeling the hairstyle. It's very easy, very simple hairstyle. All right, guys, so if you all enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, please share, please comment, please subscribe, and put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And if you all are interested in any of the products, I'll leave them in the description bar down below. Go check them out. If you tried any of the products, let me know as well. Let everybody else know, leave a comment. You know what I'm talking about? Leave a comment. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.